Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this super cool digital LCD screen wireless rechargeable microscope from a company called Anykit. And yeah, you heard all that right. This is a really full-featured digital microscope. Can be used for so much. It's really an awesome product. I'm going to talk about all the different features it has because it is feature-rich. First, let's just talk about possible uses. Obviously, scientific uses would be the number one thing because it is a digital microscope. But you could also use it for things like soldering or threading a needle, anything where you need to see tiny things but need to see precisely. And it has this nice large 7-inch digital LCD screen so that you can see it clearly, see what you're doing, which is great. Now you can see I have a little feather on here right now that you can see. And this is so full featured. Let's talk about some of the really awesome features. One, you've got lights built into the base. You've got these two lights, and I'll turn those up, and you can see you can move those however you need them in order to light your subject. If you need more light, you have those to do that. And again, it is totally rechargeable and wireless. Over here on the side, you have a little switch to turn an LED light on inside the microscope itself. So you can turn that on if you need to, or you've got fully adjustable, so you can dim it or you can turn it off completely. Now you can get closer to your subject in two ways. It has digital zoom, so if I click this button, you can see I'm digitally zooming in. Or you can loosen the bolt in the back, and then you have this little knob, and then you tighten it. And now I'm much closer, but now I need to focus. You have a focus ring right here. So you just focus in, and right there, looks like that's pretty much in focus. So you've got different ways that you can get closer. This does have a micro SD card slot, and it comes with the micro SD card, and that's so that you can record stuff. So you can record video or take pictures of whatever you're looking at under the microscope, which is great. It does also come with a remote control, which you can use to do that, as well as control the other features so that you don't shake it. And then it also is built, this nice steel platform is built on really thick foam pads, so that helps reduce vibration as well. Let's go into the menu. You can change all different kind of menu things. You can change your video resolution for recording video. You can change your photo resolution for when you take photos. You can change the video splitting if you're recording video and you don't want it to record too long. You can auto power off, on or off. You can set up loop recording. You can change your frequency depending on whether you're in the US or somewhere else. You can select the LCD auto off. You can change the default settings or go back to default settings. You can set your time. You can also change your language, and you can format that SD card in order to erase it to start over when you're ready. And that's everything that you find inside of the menu. Now this LCD display is fully adjustable because depending on where you are, you can, some angles are better than others, and you got to get it to the right angle for your eyes. And so this is fully adjustable so that you can get it to where you need to go. And what else is cool is you can take this whole top unit off of this bottom stand and take it outside with you. So you can just hold it over something if you want to get a closer, better microscopic look at something. So that's really awesome that you can do that as well. And then you have that remote control. Just really a fully featured digital microscope. Now let me show you this. This is cool. I'm gonna have to look over here to plug this in correctly. I'm gonna plug that in. You're gonna see that LCD screen is going to go off. And what's gonna happen, what I did there is this comes with a cord to send the signal out through HDMI, and you can plug it into a monitor or to a TV screen in order to see it even bigger and better. And you can see that here. Now I don't know how well my camera is going to pick this up, but you can at least see that it does work, that it does transmit. It works all the same. You still have access to record video, stop and start recording video, go into the menu. All that stuff is there. Go out of the menu and you see. I'm going to trade out right now. We're going to put this little leaf underneath here, and we're gonna see if I can focus right on that, and maybe turn that light on. It's a little bit of light. There you go. And so you can use the LCD screen that's built into this, which is a nice 7-inch LCD screen, but you can also send the microscope signal to your TV or to a monitor through HDMI, and they include that cord in the box as well. So everything that you need to really use a digital microscope in a lot of cool ways, it's all here. Whether you're using it for science, looking at, the underside of a leaf or a close-up of a insect wing or something, or if you're using it more for soldering and just being able to do microscopic work that you wouldn't be able to do with the naked eye. This digital microscope from any kit can do all of that, and it's just a really great set that has everything you need, works really well. I think it's awesome, and if you're looking for a digital microscope like this, you want to use a screen, then this is definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.